In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product image in WooCommerce fast and easy. Whether you're new to WooCommerce or you're looking to streamline your process, this tutorial will walk you through each step in a straightforward and concise manner. Let's dive in and get started. First, we'll begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing everything on your site, and it's where we'll initiate our task today. Once you're logged into your WordPress admin panel, look to your left sidebar. You'll see a number of options here, but the one we want to focus on is Products. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. Now that you're in the Products section, you'll see a listing of all your existing products. However, for this tutorial, we're focusing on adding a new product, so locate the Add New button near the top and click on it. This will bring up the empty product page where you can enter all the details for your new product. But today, our focus is solely on adding the product image. Next, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You should see an option that says Product Image. Click on this area and you'll be prompted to add media. You should click on Add Media at the top to open your media library. This is where you can either choose an image you've already uploaded or add a new one. To add a new image, select the Upload Files tab, then click on Select Files. This will open a file browser window. Navigate through your computer's directories to find the image you'd like to use. A quick tip here. Make sure your image is optimized for the web, which typically means a file size of under 200 KB, and consider renaming the file to something descriptive before uploading. Once you've located the image, click Open, and it will be uploaded to your media library. After the image has finished uploading, you'll see it in the media library. Click on the image to select it, and then click the Insert into Product button. This action sets this image as the product's main image, meaning it's the primary image that customers will see when they view your product page. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a product image to your WooCommerce store. Remember, a good product image can significantly enhance the appeal of your product and make your listing more attractive to potential buyers. So make sure to choose high-quality images that do your product justice. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to add a product image in WooCommerce fast and easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tutorials. Happy selling!